So first thing you're gonna do is go to Playground AI, this one, okay, on your browser, Playground AI, and then click here. And then if you don't have an account, you say start for free or start designing. You here. If you already have an account, you can log in. If you don't have an account, you can sign up. So I'm gonna log in because I already had an account. Alright, so if you are on Playground, you can see all of these things, or maybe the dashboard. Now down here when you scroll, the best thing is that you can even use your mobile phone. So these are things that people are, or maybe templates that people are actually designing for others to use, both commercially, both pro version and also free version. So when you click down here, or when you scroll down here, there is somewhere they say become a creator. Okay, when you click here, when you come down here, they are saying become a creator. That's where you actually click, and then you're gonna apply. So what they are saying, earn a passive income making design for our marketplace, set your own hours, enjoy creative freedom, and watch people use your design. So you might be wondering, what is Playground Creator Program? Now this program or Playground program or platform is a place whereby it actually allows you to create beautiful designs using innovative AI graphic softwares, depending on which one you want. And these designs can actually range from cultural events, like cultural posters, event invitations, home decor, and so much more. And then the best part is that you can get paid using anytime someone uses your designs, because it is like creating digital art that can be used by people all over the world. Okay, now you might be wondering, why should I become a Playground creator? It is because there are so many reasons. Number one, it is because of the passive income. Once you become a creator, or once your designs are uploaded, you can earn money while you sleep. Every time someone uses your designs, you get paid. Now also another reason, it is because creative freedom. You don't need to be a professional designer. With AI technology, creating beautiful and functional designs is made simple and also fun. Another reason, it is because it is flexible, or maybe it's flexibility, whether you want to dedicate a few hours a week, or maybe a full time, this gig is for you. And also the best part is that no prior experience needed. Whether you are an experienced designer or you are just starting out, Playground makes it easier for anyone to actually start earning passive income. So let's see how do you apply on this Playground creator. The first step, like I said, you visit Playground AI and you can access Playground creator page. Okay, and then step 2, let's dive in. I'm gonna be showing you. So this is where we're gonna be, you click apply. It is very straightforward and very simple to apply. So here you can go through what they are saying, and what they are saying here is that this can be like share your URL of your work. This can be somewhere, maybe if you have a shop like Etsy where you are selling your art, or maybe if you have a portfolio that you have made, or a website that you normally make. And like I said, these designs that they want, you can generate using AI. You don't need to be an artist. Okay, and then here you're gonna insert your maybe your website there. So let me just try to put mine, and then your email address, let me quickly put. Okay, and then you're gonna insert the country of residence. And then they are saying, have you ever used AI image generation? You're gonna say yes, or maybe yes a little. For me, I have used a lot. how many hours a week will you dedicate to creating designs. So this is the flexibility I was talking about. You can actually choose a few hours per week, 5 to 10 hours a week, 10 plus hours a week. I'm gonna say 5 to 10 hours per week. And then, are you above the age of 15? You're gonna say yes. And then, do you currently sell designs online? You're gonna say yes. So you're gonna submit here. You're gonna click down here where they say submit. So once you submit, let's see how they say thanks for completing this form. Okay, so you're gonna see you have completed. You're gonna wait to receive an email if they have accepted you on their partner program or not, and then once you do that, the instruction that you're gonna be receiving to start actually designing and making money on this platform of Playground. If you have enjoyed this video up to there, I will want you to do me one favor. Subscribe to my channel and like this video so that I can share more ways to earn money using AI. Until next time, I'll see you. Bye.